Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I have with me my iPhone 6 Plus and I am going to show you guys how to change the theme on your device with Anemone, and also how to change your fonts and also change your carrier logo. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to install a few sources. Now I have these sources installed already, but I will give you a little run through as to how you can get the sources installed. So first of all, go on to Cydia. Now obviously Cydia won't open if you don't have jailbreak. So if you don't have jailbreak, you can go over to uncover jailbreak and jailbreak your device. So just go over to uncover jailbreak and jailbreak your device. Okay, so go back to Cydia. You can see that the sources I have here. So if you don't have any of these, you can feel free to copy down the links below them and get them installed, but the links to the important ones, I will have it on screen and in the description. So let us get the first one that you are going to install is the Jake James repo. So here it is down here. There's the link below it, so you can copy that link and install it. So to install a repo, simple, edit, add, and you put in the link to the repo, and then you add source, and then you allow Cydia to do its work. So like I said, I have those sources installed already, so that's for you to do. So it's very simple to install a source. Okay, now to get the packages, very simple. And remember, you must have the sources installed because some packages come with some third-party sources. First app that we're going to install is Honeymoon, which by far is my favorite. And when I first jailbreaked my device, it wasn't working, and I realized that today it got updated. It's not this one. We're going to install Honeymoon 3.04 Uncover, and this is the version that you're looking for, 1.0.15, and you're going to install it and confirm. Okay, so when it's done, you have to restart Springboard, which is, like I said, also equivalent to soft reboot. So if you paid attention to my last video when I was jailbreaking, I spoke about it. So just allow it to respring, and you should see the new icon on your home screen. Alright, and it's done. So let me put in my password real quick. Okay, and scroll across and you should see Anemone right there. Now let me just open it up just to make sure that it's working. Okay, now you see there's nothing there, and we're not going to use it as yet because we don't have the theme as yet. So the theme that we're going to install is called Lotus. That's what I have here on my iPhone 5, which is running iOS 10.4. So if you go over to Honeymoon, you'd see the other themes that I have on my iPhone 5. But anyway, let's go back to Cydia. So on Cydia, you're going to now search for Lotus. It's the first one up here, and you're going to install it. So yeah, just once it loads up, you'll see the icon. So install it, confirm. Right, return to Cydia now because you do not have to respring for this one. Let's go to Honeymoon now. Nothing there as yet. So let's go back to Cydia. I think we'll have to respring manually, but we'll focus on that afterwards. Let's install the others. Afterwards, we're going to install a font, which will allow us to change our font. I know lots of you out there might want to do that, so why not? Let's do it. So let's go over to a font and you're going to install it, confirm. restart springboard. So since we've restarted the springboard, hopefully the Lotus theme should be added in Anemone. So I'm not sure why it didn't allow us to respring back then, but so you see my theme changed. That's because I had a font previously, but for the sake of the video I uninstalled it, but we'll focus on that afterwards. Let's go back to Cydia, and we're going to search for Zeppelin, which will allow us to change the carrier logo. So like you see up here, mine says no sim, but for you, when you select it, you can change it to any logo that you'd like the Apple logo, Batman, and Android, and so on. Okay, now let's search for Zeppelin. Select it and install. Confirm. Restart springboard. Now that's for the last time. That's it. That's the last package that we're going to install, and of course if you have your own packages you can feel free to install them as well. That's just my top pick. So let me unlock real quick. Go to Honeymoon, and yes, my theme changed because like I said, I had all this configured previously, but for you, all you have to just do is go over to Honeymoon. Let me disable this. Go over to preview. You see that's the original one, so you just click apply, but since you want Lotus, you select enable, you go over to preview, and then you apply it. Okay, so then you just apply the theme, and then you go back to your home screen, and then you should see that the new theme has been applied. Now let's go over to settings, and let's do one more thing real quick. Scroll down, and you're going to look for a font, and you see that we have the Times New Roman font. That's what I selected. I'm just going to select any font. Let me see, I'm going to select this one. Go back, restart springboard. Okay, now the font has changed, so you can see it's a bit different from the others. Well, this one is quite nice, I must say. So yeah guys, you can feel free to select whichever font that you'd like, and remember, every time you install a new font, you simply go over to respring, because the font gets applied after you do a respring, which is, like I said, equivalent to a soft reboot. Now let's go to Zeppelin. Okay, now you're going to select your logo, whatever logo that you'd like, Nike or whatever, Windows and so on. The text, like I said, I'm not sure why the text isn't working. For some reason it isn't, but if you enable it and you select your logo here, this, and I think you have to, let me try putting it into airplane mode and then turning it back on. Okay, so if you turn on airplane mode, if it doesn't get applied immediately after you select it, you just turn on airplane mode, then turn it off, and then you should see the new logo up here. So let me try a different one, like Android. So I selected Android, I'm going to swipe up, turn on airplane mode, turn it off, and it should change it to Android. So that's it. And if you want any new themes, you simply go to Cydia and you search for your theme. So you go over to search, taking some time to load. So yeah, you go over to search, you search for whatever theme you'd like, blah blah blah. It might come from a different repo, so you do your research, find the repo that the theme is from. So I'll have a link in the description to different themes that you can try out on Anemone. Very nice stuff. And yes, so that's it for now guys. Anything else, I will update you via the comments, and I thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, share the video with others. Also hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, it really helps out, and I will see you guys in another video.